Do you know what I think we should do on this video? Which is why I'm looking through my phone here. I'm not just being a 12-year-old kid just addicted to my phone.
You are a bit like that, though, aren't you?
The problem being,
Go on,
right,
then.
is that we are obviously running a little YouTube channel, right, as you are well aware. And I do like to keep up to date with how things are going on the old YouTube and the analytics and things like that. Because people sometimes say to me, hey, how you doing well? You know, you must be earning a fair few quid on that on the old YouTube and that. Absolutely not.
Yeah. I'll tell you what. A recent video, for example.
Go on.
About average for our views. There it is. How much did we make off that video?
Go on.
There you go.
That's it.
That's it. That is how much we got for that video. Do you know how much it cost us to make that video?
I don't even want to know.
Yeah, it's quite a bit more. So,
well,
we're at a point now where we're very fortunate and we shouldn't complain, should we? We shouldn't complain.
Not at all.
That video, we're looking at a tenner a video.
Yeah, something like that.
So, if we put a video out every single day, we might make, I don't know, 300 quid a month.
Yeah.
Split both ways, 150 quid.
Wow. Which you might have noticed of late. We are putting videos up pretty much every day. So thanks for, subscribing and watching and all that sort of stuff. Look, the reason that we do it though is it was never about money, to be quite honest with you. I mean, that is nice, isn't it, to get a few quid in that. It was always to put this hobby that we all love so much. Some say it's a sport, right? Hobby, sport, whatever you want to call it, in front of people. Get it out there.
Get people involved.
Yeah, get people involved. Get kids involved. Get grown-ups involved. Get your granddad involved. Get your mum involved. I don't know. We don't really care, but we just want to make sure we get it out there.
Yeah.
And I've been very, very proud of what we've achieved over the years and things like that.
Do you know what? It's been a bit of a lifesaver for me over the last few years. It's kind of been my happy place.
Yeah.
My sanctuary, my therapy. It's been a little bit more than just a YouTube channel. It really has helped me through a pretty grim winter, to be fair.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. And we are of an age where, as well as most of our faithful subscribers are, where life does get a bit tough. I did a little video, didn't I, about a little while ago about racing, the good old days, I call it.
If you've already done that video, should we talk about something else?
Well, I think we've got a few thank yous, haven't we, to sort of say.
Now, can I start this time with the thank yous? Because I know you've been looking at your phone and getting your things there.
Go on, then.
But the thing is, we do like to pop along, and when we pop along to new places, we make content, don't we? We do. Yeah. We need to pop along to places to make content, and some of the places we go to are very thankful for it.
They certainly are.
Sometimes they might help us out with. They don't give us money, but they say, "Do you know what? Pop along. You can have your nights racing on us." And do you know what?
Nice, that's nice.
Means the world to us, really.
It certainly does.
Because if we don't, it's like, for example, if we say £10 for racing, we make £10 off a video, but there's two of us. Well, that's cost us £20 just to walk through the door. So we're £10 out of pocket before we've even started.
I know, but it was never meant to be a business.
No, but it would be nice to save some pennies, because I want. Sounds very selfish, doesn't it?
What do you want?
Well, there's one thing that I think I deserve.
Go on.
Which I haven't got in my RC collection.
Is it a helicopter?
It's not a helicopter. We're doing flying on this channel. I told you that before.
Yeah, go on. What is it?
Anyway, there's something I would really quite like.
Yeah, what's that?
I want sounds really... I don't like that word. I would love.
You love. What would you love?
I want a new race radio, boss. And they don't come cheap. So...
You and me both, brother.
I might have to forego some racing to save up some pennies for a new radio.
Do it, mate. Have a little bit of time out of your racing calendar so you can save up. What are you thinking? I like the Futaba stuff. We're still using budget radio, ain't we?
I'm still using my rugged Spectrum radio.
That old Spectrum nonsense.
But I think you have worn me down, and I might have to venture into the world of Futaba.
I
San
think
Juan. I'm not feeling the Spectrum for my racing anymore. I've loved it. I've been with Spectrum now for 13, 14 years. I've been running
there's so many other
Spectrum.
good radios. They first started off doing the flying stuff, and that was quite good. And then, well, I don't fly anymore, so I don't know. I don't know what's going on in that sort of world. But yeah.
So, but yeah, I think this year, if I can save up some pennies, a new race radio.
Let me tell you something.
Go on then.
So I was looking at my phone because we got a few thank yous. Now, if you don't know, we run alongside the channel a Buy Me a Pie.
Buy you a pie
thing. And what you can do is go on there, buy us a little pie, a little donations thing.
I think that bulb's about to blow. We're going to have to buy a new bulb. It's flickering.
I can hear it and I can see it.
I don't know if I can see it on the camera.
If that goes bang...
During this video, that'll be comical.
That would be comical.
New bulb.
Oh, it's so bright.
Oh, man. I shouldn't
Anyway, then don't look at it. So there's a couple of thank yous I want to just say here. First of all, I want to say big thanks to everybody who supported us through cars and loaning us stuff and giving us a few bits here and there.
The latest one was Jimmy.
Jimmy.
What
do you get? What do you buy you? What do you get you?
He's loaned me a couple of cars.
Oh,
for
he hasn't
Revival.
he? Jimmy. Yeah.
The old Top Force and the Egress.
The old Tamiya stuff there.
Yeah.
And I got lent, didn't I, from the fantastic Mr. Fox, the TRF car, which is going to go out soon. I know he's commenting.
Going to head over to Stevenage. He reckons if we put that video out, we'll get 15,000 subscribers.
Then let's do it.
Why haven't we got 15,000 subscribers? What are we doing wrong?
What are we doing wrong? Is it because we might be boring?
Maybe it's my beard.
We don't smash enough stuff up, right? We don't smash enough stuff up, for one. Number two, I don't know. That bulb's about to go. It's gone.
It's gone.
Bulb's gone out now. How much is that going to cost?
About £6. So if we're lucky, this video should pay for that bulb.
All right. So as I was saying, the Buy Me a Pie thing, yeah, it's in all the links in our descriptions. I want to say a big thanks to I need my glasses.
Do you want me to read it?
No, I can do it.
Okay.
Lee Galway bought us a few pies.
He did.
He's a good lad. He said, love the vids, been keeping up with the new ones. Also been watching the old ones. A couple of other bits.
Cool.
We've got old Will Sharp there. Cheers, gents. He enjoys what we do.
Nice.
And he said, keep it up.
I see one from the Legend there.
The Buster the Legend.
Buster
now,
the
if you
Legend.
go to Indoor Raceway Stevenage and you see Buster, he absolutely loves it when people call him Buster the Legend. So
Buster the Legend.
when you see him,
Indoor Raceway Stevenage.
you say, "Hi, Buster the Legend, please, can you do that?" Because he likes that. And he has actually given us a couple of pies there. He's a legend. I like the fella. Green Star. Cool vids, he says. Cool vids.
There's no R in it. It's
Geenster.
Don't they make pies?
Geenster. I don't know. And then Rory Devlin, again, from the Voltage Brothers.
Yeah.
Yeah. He gave us some more pies. Look at that. He's a bit of a legend.
He is.
He's already done it once already. And I said before, the Voltage Brothers. Yeah, I can imagine them with their hair standing on end, like with electricity coming out of their ear rolls.
Yeah.
Who else we got there? Rory Devlin, Steve of Millend RCC. Keep up the good work.
We need to get back to Milan this year. Can't wait. I'm looking forward. Do you know what? I'm looking at the camera and actually...
What?
Lighting looks good without that light.
Didn't need it anyway, did we? It kind of shows my good side here.
Yeah, it's all good.
There's a couple more. Paul Batley, good lad, thanks very much. And the one, the only, Mr. Tinkerbell. I think we thanked him already for this, but again, Tinkerbell there.
Tinkerbell deserves thanks.
He deserves
and thanks,
it,
Tinkerbell, for being on our videos.
Yeah, we like old Tinkerbell, don't we?
We do.
It's a good lad. But yeah, no, but there are loads of people that help us, and you know, it's not about the dollar. We have met so many people doing this, and it has been a bit of a lifesaver. So I hope you enjoy what we do. Yeah, if you do. Keep watching the vids, keep subscribing, keep pushing it out there, whatever. That's all I have to say about that.
That's all you
quite
have to
frankly.
say. So, yeah.
Yeah. So thanks once again. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, hit the old ding dong bell. And we might see you on another video.